Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, November the 9th, 2022, we have already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudokus. So two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Cypher block. And this one, yes, you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this will be number 5456. 5456. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Okay, and now double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Then. Let me see. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then 3 ones we have here. If I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1 then. Alright. Wow. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be, this should be a 1. Alright. Then. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Okay. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1 then. Okay. Then. Let me think. Think we need to compare. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Well. Yeah. Well. Double O here, no. 101 here, no. Well, no. Not the same, not the same, not the same. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Well, I know between an O and a 1, with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. And here, I need also in this row, also an O and a 1. And here also O and a 1 here, in this row. I cannot place here double 1 or double O. It's 1 or an O, or 1 or an O. So this should be also O and a 1. So we have in this column, the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be definitely an O. Okay. Here also. Yeah. Interesting, interesting, interesting. 3 O's here. If I compare this column and that column, well, we have a, let me see. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's the wrong comparing. We have an O and a 1 there. Double O. We don't have double O here. No. Yeah. Oh. No. Here, maybe. Well. Overlook this double 1. Overlook this double 1. We have a double 1 here. Yeah. So double 1. Here no. There no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Okay. Yeah, and now I need to compare. Okay, double 1 here. No, it's not the same. Double 1 here. We have 3 double 1s. Oh. 100. Well, this column and that column, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And now 2 columns or 2 rows are left. Here we have 3 O's here. Can I do something with this one? This is the same. This column. And double O here. Where's the double O here? Oh, overlooked again. Interesting. Yeah. Not correct. No. We have a double 1 here, double O. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, so we have here O, 1 1 1 1 O, empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4. Yes, correct. Finished in 9 minutes. Well. 2 times comparing. 1 2. Yes, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.